Good morning, Bhavdeep sir, and I'm Dr. Radhika. As I have, you know me, as I recently attended your practice management course in Pune. As I had rightly told you that I am coming back from a big professional break, but your course has been an eye opener for me in real sense because the things that I dreaded a lot have been cleared through your course on 1st and 2nd of April. And the big takeaways for me were the introspection in yourself, as a person and also as a dentist. Second is you have to know your patient thoroughly. You have to identify their needs and wants. That's a very yes and a very must thing in our clinical world. And also you have to be patient as in keep your calm in every situation and act accordingly. I was very curious as well as I was very nervous before coming back to my own home ground, as in coming back to my clinical part. But mentors like you have been very, very helpful and very encouraging in my path. This really keeps me on my track and helps me know that I am doing good. I am on the right path, and this will lead me to a stable life in near future. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for the homework questions. They were very helpful in introspecting myself and my future to be in respect to that. Thank you.